Hello and welcome everybody back to F.E.A.R 2 Project Origin. My name is Sereneth and we are returning to the horror once more. Again, I've been away for quite some time and want to get back into this game. And back into doing stuff on my channel. Give me a lot of ordnance, I wonder why. Okay. That's probably why. Holy shit. Noping the fuck out of that. Ow, ow. Oh god. Jesus! Defeat the elite power armor unit. I think I might let them fight it out for a minute, because... Actually no, fuck it, I'll help. I'll help. This is going to be very hard to take down. Damaged. There we go. Okay, now I'll kill the rest of these guys. Are there any of them actually left?
Streets are completely blocked. Okay, stay where you are and we'll come to you. Will do.
That rocket dude's still up there. Wait, where is he? Oh my god! Okay, holy shit. Also, again, really excited to be able to play Bioshock now. Which I'm hoping you guys are going to enjoy. Only problem is the fact that the music in-game is apparently copyrighted, which I should have known anyway. So certain places in the game obviously are going to have songs playing, and I'm probably going to get copyrighted if I do that. So I'm going to have to like turn the music off or something. Not like actual copyright strikes; they're just like, you know. Oh, I don't know if you can call them a copyright strike or not. They're not like a strike against my channel or anything. They're just like, hey, this is stuff in your video that's not yours, blah blah blah. We're gonna put ads in your video. You don't like it, go suck a dick, kind of thing. It's pretty much the attitude I got. So yeah, I don't know what to do with it. I think you're a rocket launcher, yes I can. Oh god! I didn't even see him, where is he? Hey. Huh? Below me? Where is he? Oh, that's him. So, yeah, I mean, I want to keep all of the content in the videos. At the end of the day, music in Bioshock is, you know, pretty detrimental to its you know, feeling and its experience. So I don't want to have to take it out. Also, I mean, I don't know. I don't feel it should be copyrighted if it's actually part of a game itself, because then, you know, that makes our job. What, can I not go through there? Wait. This is not where I'm supposed to go, I'm guessing. Oh, I'm supposed to go over the road. But you know, I mean, I can probably keep the music in the video still. It just means that there's going to be ads in my videos, and yeah, I don't even have my own videos monetized yet. But it's not something I can just edit out because shit, like I did with Cryo-Thea. Because it happened with Cryo-Thea, but with Cryo-Thea I could edit that part out because it happened. It was like a little song that played on my way back to another location, so nothing really happened during that section.
I'm pinned down! Goddamn snipers!
Beckett, can you get them?
I do not want this piece of shit. Thank you very much. Keep pressing freaking C. But the hell? I'm on fire! No! Can I go up here? I can go up here. I'm gonna get a sniper rifle soon because I would really like one. Okay, this was pointless. Fuck. Yeah, so I can't just like edit it out. It's, you know, it's either I turn off the music completely or I just keep it in the videos and accept the freaking them getting monetization off the videos, which I'm not. I mean, I'm okay with that. You know, it's still their content. It's a part of my content, I guess. But again, it's just I feel like if it's part of a game itself, it shouldn't be classed as, you know, copyright. If I'm using someone's copyrighted content and then putting it in my video, then that's fair enough. But it's part of the game. There's not really anything I can do about it. It's in there. I can't take it out.
Force are en route. ETA 5 minutes. Stay your ground until reinforcements arrive.
Yeah, you guys let me know what you want me to do with it. I don't think it's overly damaging to have the them putting ads in my videos. I mean, it's whatever. Oh shit.
Go take a look. Copy.
Hey there, Mr. Sunshine. Are you using a pistol? But yeah, so I think for now I'll just keep doing it with the music in there and just have them put ads in my videos until someone says that they don't want that, I guess. But I don't know, it's just annoying, I guess. But I'm not gonna like stop playing Bioshock. Like hell no, I'll play it. I fucking love the game. Oh, Jesus Christ, what was that? Nope, I do not want that. Go to hell. Go into the streets.
Beckett, thank God! This place is swarming with snipers. See if you can find a way to flank them. If I move, I'm dead.
Interesting.
Get to the rooftop. Please hurry, Beckett!
Shut up, you ain't going nowhere. Let me get my cardio on. Oh yes. Flamethrower, you've done me proud. Sniper rifle, you do me even more proud. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh god! There's a guy right fucking there!
Got it!
I'm gonna make a run for it. Cover me.
sounded close, yeah. Woo! Okay, she okay? Did she get to wherever the fuck it was she was going? I destroy that with good old rocket launcher. Okay.
Damn it, they're swarming the area. I have to move. I can't stay here. Keep heading for the rendezvous. We'll link up there. And be careful.
Oh, Jesus. Are they just gonna keep coming? No? I hope I get lots and lots of ammo for this gun. I can't remember if I do or not. I guess this is where I was supposed to like go or whatever. Maybe, I don't know. Downstairs. Do I go through this one? Yes. Or do oh. Oh. Hold on, I'll just take this med kit. Wait, no I can't. Never mind. What? What's with the music, for fuck's sake?
Grenade out.
Yep. That was a fail. Yay, what's that? What? I'll take that, thank you very much. No. What is up with the music, seriously? That's kind of over dramatic, don't you think? Ah, who am I to judge? Oh, hey. Ugh. Just a half a floating torso. Goodbye. Aww. was like, can I get him from there? I was like, yeah, fuck it, give it a go. Got him. Snipey sections are my favourite. I love them very much. Snipey sections in any game are awesome. I take it this is where the game wants me to go. Okay. Jesus Christ. Actually scared me, what the fuck? Well, that's disturbing. That rat just exploded! Legit, it just exploded. What the fuck?
Damn it, I can't find him.
You sure you saw someone?
Of course I'm sure. She's gotta be around here somewhere.
I would not. I repeat, I would not be trying to look for her right now. Getting away from her should be your top priority, not getting closer to her. If he's looking for who I think it is, if I remember the last episode he saw the little girl. She's not quite a little girl anymore. Oh.
Repairs complete.
See nothing. Shit. Daddy's home! Metal Gear Online, bitches! Oh yeah, I have rockets too. Oh, he bent over and I shot him straight in the butt. Why would you even? Bend over, baby. I shall name you Sir Wreck-a-Lot, because you wreck a lot, and I love it. survived. Well, we can't be having that now, can we? He's like on that fucking. You stubborn little fucker. How do I get you? That's how. Missiles armed. Can't blow through here. Leave my baby here just for a moment. Like that's a whole lot of fucking fun, not gonna lie. Right, let's get this gate open for our oversized friend here. Go kill some more bitches. Ooh, grenades. What do I do with that? Armor. Full ammo. Okay, ammo. Ooh. Intel. The elite power armor. What's that? Something that blew up. Can I please get through the door? Like, I'm not asking for much here, game. Onwards! Mighty steed. Metal Gear Reclamant. Fuck out of here. Actually, over here. Rocket guy first, he does loads of damage. Oh god! I mean, that could be an issue too. Just saying. You're dead. Issues. Alright. Any more people want to, you know, get in touch with their religious side? Oh! Bend over, bitches! Fuck out of here. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, don't make me do it. Don't make me. Can't make me do it. God damn it. Oh. It's nice knowing you, little friend.
I see you.
No. Stay away, dude. Oh shit.
I can help her. She'll just let me.
She doesn't want you, she wants me. I'm the delectable pizza, remember? Oh shit.
Griffin, report.
Alma 3D. Can we talk about this? You just trying to shoot her? Oh, you are so dead, motherfucker. Okay. Oh. God damn.
There you are. Let's move.
I was about to blow
Griffin,
your
it's back.
fucking head
Come
off.
on.
Jesus Christ. Literally, like 2 seconds away from fucking messing up your face. Okay. Let's roll.
Come on, Beckett, let's go.
Shut up. He's dead, don't worry
Saw
about
her at the end of the hall. Move up.
it. No. I mean, Stokes, do you not see anything, a little strange about this? No?
On me.
Does this just look normal to you? All this dark aura around him? Him not facing us, doing the old Blair Witch tactic? It's totally fine. I mean, okay. I'm not gonna judge you.
What
See? Told you!
Griffin! Tom!
the? Stay back. Stay the fuck back. Oh, fuck me. Ah!
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh, God! Oh, my God! Griffin! What the fuck is going on?
He just got, like,
Fuck!
consumed.
We have to move, Beckett.
I told you something was wrong. You didn't listen to me.
It should be just ahead.
Listen to me next time. God damn it. I love the way Alma was just stood there looking down at me over her shoulder like, you little fucking bitch. I will eat you, but I'm gonna savor it. Just stay right there.
Still shaking all over.
Oh, think how Griffin feels. He's now literally all over, as in little bits all over the walls and shit. Actually, he disappeared completely.
Let's get out of here, Beckett.
Down we go.
You look like you could use a ride, Lieutenant.
Again, I was about to blow your head off. Could you not do that, please?
Where's Griffin?
Just get us out of here, Sergeant.
Shit.
Lieutenant, what the hell is going on here?
Fuck if I know, but we're stuck in the middle of it.
Yep. Ward unlocked. Complete top.
So what happened out there, Lieutenant? I've never seen you shook up like this.
She killed Griffin.
Who did?
Alma.
You sure about that?
I'm not sure about anything anymore.
Dealing with pissed off dead chicks is a little outside my area of expertise.
She's not dead.
Let's focus on finding
I didn't tell you that, mate. She ain't dead.
Snake Fist. This'll go faster if we split up. Keegan, how's that wound? You positive you're up for this?
Nothing I can't handle, Lieutenant.
All right then, you're on recon. Don't go picking any fights. Beckett, you're with me.
Really?
Keegan! Hey, this is your stop, buddy.
See you downrange.
Splitting up
Remember,
is
recon
never
only.
a good idea. Like, oh shit. Oh my, could you not?
All right, Beckett, let's go find Snake Fist.
Interval 5, provocation.
This just keeps getting better. Why is he hanging out at an elementary school? Whatever, let's get inside.
Oh,
Keegan,
we're at
check
the
in.
school.
Nothing to report so far, Lieutenant. Except for the damn headache.
Oh no. Oh.